So as you look around the room, obviously you can see that we have a Moana inspiration in the room, along with the artwork that we have within the space, all of the lampshades. We've got some nice character elements, but then we also have that Pacific Island feel with the color palette and the nice beach feel with the flooring that we've chosen this location. As you go through the room, there's little character moments that are all over the place. We have the nice artwork on the wall, we have the lampshades, also on the headboard, you know, little elements that you just keep finding every moment you look around. You find more and more of these details that layer into the story and help just further that development as you walk through. And then even in the patterning for not only for the chairs, but also for the drapery, this is all pulling from inspiration that you saw within the movie. So we have that nice patterning coming through, and then pulling the color palettes all throughout the room until you get to the main focal piece of this room, which is this beautiful wall covering that is all character related. So you have the tattoos, you have the Maui, you have like Moana on here. You have a lot of inspiration. It's just one of those pieces that the more you're in here, the more you'll notice and find little hidden details and gems that are throughout the space. We also have Hey over at the Beverage Island. So when you wake up for your morning coffee, he's there to greet you and help you get that morning jolt that you need from that Keurig. And then as you step into the restrooms, the restroom area we've updated to feel a little bit more of a beach feel with a lighter flooring. We've updated the vanity space. And then on the back wall of the shower, you'll find some additional details that just bring a little bit more of that Moana inspiration in, along with artwork in the water closet area.